One of the things that I've found most encouraging is in recent years, I've been studying more about practices of regenerative agriculture and agroecology. Tim, I know that's something you've engaged a lot too. And one of the important insights from that, to my mind, applies not just to agriculture per se, but to, it provides a way to think about the entire human relationship with the rest of nature. And that is this insight that the things that human beings need to live, food in the more specific case of regenerative agriculture and agroecology, those things that humans need, we can draw them from the ecosphere in ways that, rather than harming the ecosphere, can actually help rebuild and repair the ecosphere's own capacities to sustain life. And so it doesn't have to be an either or choice, human survival or the rest of nature, that there are ways largely driven by indigenous knowledge, as you pointed out, that can allow humankind to survive, but in ways that enhance the life of the whole planet. And I think that gets us back to, I mean, the whole series is Liberating People and the Planet, to realize that liberating people and liberating the planet can be connected with one another, that they can be deeply tied.